Hi everyone. So today in this tutorial video we are going to learn four things. First, how to consolidate data. Second, pivot by group by function. How does work in Excel? Third, how we can the mode change, view mode, the dark or light mode in Excel. And fourth, how to add the developer, power pivot and camera as a tab in Excel. So let's begin. So first here you can see on my screen the item name January, Feb and March. Okay, and here the separate data is here and we need to consolidate. So how we can? So for this, select this item name. Okay, and here you can see data tab. So just go to data tab option. Under the data tools, here you can see consolidate option. Okay, and this is the consolidate dialog box is open. Here the function is we have the different kind of function. So you can choose according to your requirement. I choose the sum and reference. So let's pick the reference. So one by one the reference we are pick, select this and add. Again select this Feb data and add. And March, select this and add. After you can see the two options, the top row and left column. So that means if you have the your header is same, item name Jane, so done. So check in, okay, and press OK. And here you can see your data is consolidated. It's really super easy to consolidate in Excel, right? So this is the consolidate. Next, how to use the pivot by one moment, pivot by and group by function. Okay, so here you can see the data. This is data created by the chat gpt. So this is the date, north, region, categories, electronic furniture, okay, product, sales name, unit sold, unit price and total sale. So if you want to the summarize your row wise data, so how you can? So that time if you want to summarize the row by row, so here we use group by function. Okay, so simply select group by. Here the parameter is the first field that means you can the select the row. So I select this row, salesman name, okay, and comma, values. What do you want? The summary. So I want to summary the total sales. So I just select this, comma, function. Here you can choose. Okay, so I choose the sum function, comma. Here the field header. So I choose the three, yes and show. Okay, so I select this three and close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, so here you can see the salesman wise the sales you can see, and they are the total sales. Group by function and the pivot by function work like the pivot table and advanced level the function. Okay, and how to use the pivot by function. So I select this pivot by, and here you can see the parameter. Pivot by work the your summarize by the row and column. I show you the data. So here I select this row field, okay, comma, column field. What you want to the how to you want to see the data? So I want to see the data region wise, okay, comma, values. So simply I take the values, this cells values, comma, here I choose the sum, comma, type 3, close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see the data is, I just adjust my, So here you can see the salesman name and the region wise sales, and here you can see the total. Okay, so this is the pivot by a group by function work like the pivot table. This is the advanced and you can use very easily way, right? So this is the pivot and group by. Let's understand how we can the change mode, light mode, yeah, dark mode. So you can do the file, go to file option. Here the option, okay, select this option and go to journal and little bit the scroll and you can see the office theme. Okay, office theme option you can see personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. So you can select according here. So white, black, dark, gray, you can choose. Okay, so suppose I want to black, so will black, but I don't want to, so I just want to the use system setting. Okay, and press OK. So you can change. However, the here the incoming the update the view under the view you can get the option the mode, so you can change the light dark whatever you want. Okay, next I want to add the developer camera and power pivot. So how we can do? So for this, here the two ways. First is file, and you can go the option, choose option. And another way you can go the open the drop down here and more commands. Okay. And here you can see. Let's first add the power pivot. So add-ins, select this add-in. Here you can see the manage. So open the drop down, COM add-ins and go. And here you can see the three options: Microsoft Data Stream, Microsoft Power Map, and the Microsoft Power Pivot. So just check in and press OK. And here the Power Pivot now as a tab is added. And now Power Pivot is work here the you can the KPI, you can create the KPI, you can measure, you can create the relation between the data, you can create the data model. So Power Pivot working like the Power BI. Okay, so you can use. In coming video we understand with the example, so it's more helpful for your understanding. Let's move the add the camera and developer option. So more command again we go, and here if you want to the quick action toolbar, you want to add the camera, so you can add. But if you want to add the and as a tab the camera and developer, so you can go. So custom ribbon and open the drop down and main tab, and here you can see developer option, so just select and add. Okay, so it's added. Now the I want to add the camera in my excel, so all command, let's take the seconds for the update, so we need to keep patience. Okay, one moment, what's going on? Okay, man tab. Okay, so here you can see the list of the commands. So just select anyone and type C and just scroll some little bit, and here you can see the camera option. So just select this camera and you can add. But before you can, if you want to the add a tab, so just select this add a tab. Okay, and you can customize the name. So I just want to change the name, so I just select this and rename. Okay, and I add the camera tab. Okay, so you can change your name. Okay, so I just and add, and here you can see the added. Now press OK, and here you can see the developer. Where is the developer? Our option, where is developer? So developer option, here with the developer you can create the VBA, Visual Basic, okay, macro. You can create the you can create the macros, and you can insert the tools, controls. So for example, the checkbox, okay, you can create the search box with developer. So different kind of the controls we have, spin button. Okay, previously video I made the all buttons, so we can understand the with more examples. So this is the developer. Okay, and the camera tool. So camera tool basically work is the, suppose I want to select this and I want to take the picture. So just click on, okay, and I just select and control P, control V, and here you can see camera tool how does work simply. Okay, so our data is converted into the image, and just you can the uh, you want to the in the image, so just right click and you can save as a picture. Okay, so this is the benefit of the camera. So that's it about this video. I hope this video helps. Okay, and if you have the any feedback suggestion, so please write in comment below. So thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing status. See you in next video.